This is an excellent idea. It's a 50 ml syringe with a piece of 4 ml poly tubing on the end of it. It's an excellent idea for first watering of plants when you've just repotted them. That way you can direct the water where you want it to go. I'll fill that up again, and you don't get any water in any of the leaf axils because they'll rot out very easily. There were a couple of syringes full, putting them in around the general area without touching the leaves, and you can get right in close underneath. It's a very efficient method for watering. You wouldn't do your entire orchid collection like this. It'd take you a week to get through it. But for initial ones like this, it's very good, very safe way of watering them the first time. Right, last one to go. Bring him in, load the syringe, and point it where you want it to go, well away from any growing points. In under there and around the back. And you can see the water running down inside the pot. You can see that you've watered it properly. And there's our freshly repotted orchids, slipper orchids. They will now take about a week to grow new hair roots on their roots. So they'll sit there for a little while. They won't do very much in the meantime. We just don't want to get their roots wet or they'll rot out. But once they develop some fine hair roots, then the plants will start growing again. At the moment they're under full sunlight. It's mid-September in Australia, so we're not using any shade cloth at the moment. Should the temperature pick up later on, then we'll definitely be using some 50% shade cloth.